Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. The issue of Igbo presidency come 2023 has been a controversial one, but then the Igbos are not backing out of it. One of the greatest controversy we are seeing right now in PDP, what led to the defection of Governor Umahi from APC or from PDP to APC, it's because of this same issue that they want the mandate to be given to them on each of those platforms, but then we do not know if APC has given him any assurance that they will give him that mandate to fly their flag come 2023 as a presidential candidate of APC. But right now, Abaribe, who is one of the senators from Southeast and who is also a minority leader of the 9th Senate, has decided to speak up concerning the issue of Igbo president replacing Buhari after 2023. And according to Eninaya Abaribe, who is minority leader of the Senate, he says it is non-negotiable for an Igbo person to become Nigeria's next president. The senator spoke in Imo on Wednesday when he was presented with a Legacy Merit Award by the state chapter of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ. According to Punch, Abaribe, who was represented at the event by Chijoke Uko, one of his aides, added that he would continue to advocate for fairness for the Southeast. He said not continuing with such advocacy would subject the Igbos to second-class citizens. He was also quoted as telling the Igbos to remain firm and resolute, notwithstanding the challenges facing the region as well as allegation of marginalization. The comment comes amid the growing clamor from Southeast leaders for an Igbo to become president come the 2023 election. Ndigbo, the apex socio-cultural organization in the Southeast, has recently made a similar case, saying that Nigeria will be transformed if the next president comes from the Southeast. The exploit of Igbo sons and daughters, both within and outside the country, are indices of the cerebral capability, and ingenuity of the people, which Nigeria could exploit to advance its development. Nia Nwodu, the group president general, had said the federal government should stop marginalizing and victimizing the Igbos in the country so that the latent creative potential could be harnessed for the good of all. Nigeria would witness a turnaround in her fortunes if president of Igbo extraction was allowed to emerge. And there had been a lot of reactions from different quarters about this, and I'm going to read few, and then we now go into analysis. This one says, I understand Abaribe's position from the point of equity, but he could have passed his message without making threats. You don't threaten people to zone you slots in a civilized society. You give them reasons why. I didn't see any threat there, if you ask me. There was no threat coming from Abaribe. The only thing is that the Igbos should be resilient and resolute, and which is a good one, because if you are not resolute about what you want, people can play around with your brain. This one says here, 2023 is the real deal, the one that is currently happening, and those that will happen in 2021 are just preamble. And this one here says, if you think an Igbo man should replace Buhari, look at this picture. A meeting of past leaders was held concerning Nigeria in general, and the entire Southeast had no representative. Nigeria, judge for yourself. The person now showed a picture of a meeting where Abdul Salam Abubakar was in attendance. Jonathan was there. The person of Olusegun Obasanjo was also there. Ene Shinekong was present. Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida was there, and then the current president of Nigeria was there. Yakubu Gowon was also there. I think this picture he's talking about here was actually a meeting for the past president, and there is no Southeasterner who had been a past president. And I feel that with this kind of thing coming up, it should be a strong reason why the Southeasterners should be given a chance. Yeah, they spell out reason why they feel they should be given a chance, and the reason is good enough. Imagine conglomerating, bringing together all Nigerian leaders from inception till date. An Igbo man is not there. It's really troubling. Nnamdi Azikiwe went many years ago, but if you're talking about the present carcass of leaders, even during the military era till date, an Igbo man is not there. We have the Yorubas, there are about 3, the Shinekong, Olusegun Obasanjo, okay, there are 2, Olusegun Obasanjo. Then when we are talking about the Northerner, they are much. Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida is there, Abdul Salam Abubakar is there, Yakubu Gawan is there, and then Buhari is there. So you now notice that then talking about the South, Jonathan is there, that's good luck, Jonathan is there. But for the Southeast, these guys are not have never tested it. For me, this one is not the issue of saying political, this one. They should be given a chance, please. And these guys are not dons. These guys are not laggards. In all spheres of life, these guys are not laggards. Look at from educational aspect of it. They have the best brains. Let's be real. When we talk about the economy of a state, come on, give it to them. They will shock you with multiple ideas, business ideas, developmental stride that will blow your mind. You understand? Look at other these things. If you allow them to be here, they will turn Nigeria to small London. They will turn, not London, we're talking about Dubai. They've got the capacity, They will bring in business. Before you know, the Naira will begin to gain global recognition because those guys, they are good in producing and exporting. They will produce enough for the country and they will export it. These are the things that bring in, foreign exchange into the country. A lot of things that these guys will do. I feel that they shouldn't be deprived again. It's not the issue of trade. Some persons believe that they are threatening, but for me, this is not trade. This is like saying, does it mean me too? I don't deserve it. Looking at the Bible, we saw something like this happen. The prodigal son took a part of the father's wealth and left with it. Came back, and out of the remaining wealth that was in the house, after he has squandered his own, he came back. Part of the wealth, the remaining wealth, was still being given to him. That's used to celebrate him. And the first son had to ask a question. Does it mean me? I've been here all this while. I've never been celebrated. I think that's what the Ndigbos are doing. And I feel that they have the right because they are not a minority group. They are a majority group. Their influence, if we want to look at the number of taxes that have been collected from Ndigbo citizens go around the country, they have big hotels, they have big businesses, industries. They when it comes to trade, oh my God, don't even go there. They are the best, and they are paying, they are remitting their taxes. They are doing what they're supposed to do. They are bringing in development, best houses around, best structures around. It's traceable to them. So I feel that they should be given a chance. It's totally wrong to relegate these people to the background. I'm totally not in support of it. No matter what, it's totally wrong. Give them a chance. Whether they say there is Biafra coming, there's no Biafra, give them a chance. Give them a chance. Say, oh God, this is your own. On all platforms, we are supporting you guys. You guys should choose the person you want to be your second. Maybe a Northerner, maybe a Yoruba person. Choose it. And then let's see how you guys will fix this country. And then we'll sit back to watch them and ensure that, power drunkenness will not be there. You put people also in place who will kind of regulate their actions and all of that. Before you know, this country, they will be at peace. You see a lot of them will back out of a lot of funny things that they're trying to do and all of that. I think that it should be considered. No one should continually castigate their ambition of becoming the president of Nigeria. It should be, it should be something that everyone should look at them and say, they deserve it, take it. And that's why Abaribe is saying they should be resolute. And I feel that resolution is something very important at this point. Be resolute. Make sure that you stand your ground. Let the people know. And I feel it's another suggestion I'd like to bring in is they should start carrying out campaign in all the major cities. Go to, so that the mindset of Nigeria. Go to the monarchs in the north. Go to the monarchs in the north central. That's talking about middle belt. Go to the monarchs in the Yoruba land, southeast. That one, you won't struggle to get the support of southeast and also south. But, there are other key places you need to go there, talk to them, not in a forceful way, but draw up pictures, bring up events, Imagine meetings holding and we are sidelined because we don't have a representative as a president. Please give us that chance. Let us rule this country. We promise, make some strong promises to them, and this whole thing will be a thing of the past. That's where we like to leave it. Abaribe said they should be resolute and they should be ready to get back what belongs to them. What do you think? Let's go.